How to create your own ePortfolio. If you are trying to create an ePortfolio to potentially share with a future employer, this is the video for you. Go to your ePortfolios tab in Watermark and select Create Portfolio in the top right-hand corner. Unlike when we created from a template for your required ePortfolio for the College of Education and Human Development, this time click Create from a blank page. You can name this portfolio anything that you want, but I'd suggest using your name and potentially the position you plan to apply for. You can also include a description of what might be included within your ePortfolio. Once finished, select Create. Once your ePortfolio has been created, I suggest you just play around. You will see two tabs on the left-hand side. Under the Components tab, you can create several different boxes within your ePortfolio. For instance, you can select Text. This will allow you to add a label and potentially write information that you would like to share with your future employer. Once created, you will then see that you can click and type anything you want within this tab. Just like the Text tab, there are several other buttons you can include. For instance, you can insert an image and potentially upload a headshot, or maybe show pictures of students. However, only do this if they have released and signed their video release forms. You can also upload different files like lesson plans, unit plans, or management plans that you would like to share with future employers. Another thing that you can do is maybe you want everything on different pages. So next to the Components tab, you will see a Pages tab. If you would like your ePortfolio organized by page, you can label and add various pages to your ePortfolio. You will then click on the page and you can add in different components while there. For instance, once you've gone to your lesson page, click back over to Components, and then you can add any type of component to your next page. If you want this ePortfolio to stand out, you will find a Design tab at the top of this page. You can play around, add different banners, you can change the color of the header. You can also edit descriptions and play around to make this ePortfolio individualized. Once you are finished, click Save. The benefit of this is now you can have this online binder to share with employers. How do you share it? Go back into your ePortfolio, find the Share tab at the top, make it public, and then you'll be able to copy and paste this URL that you can add to your resume or in emails directly to school districts or school principals. I hope this helps. If you have any questions, please email watermark@louisiana.edu.